I'm St. Tazafraz, and are you struggling with watching the same movie over and over again, wishing for there to be a sequel? Well, here are 5 even easier steps to making a movie sequel that's not worth watching. All filmmakers use a special set of equipment to make films. Today you will need a computer with editing software installed, a camera with or without a tripod, and some actors that are willing enough to participate in your film. If the actors aren't good enough for you, just abduct them. Treat them with care. No! The first step is to find the film that you want to add on to. When you find a valid movie, create a script for your sequel. Write a creative, detailed script that you would make in media class. Make sure your script has little to no grammatical errors, and if it has a bunch of errors, make sure to tie up your scriptwriter as well. Be persistent. To be ready to record, you need to be ready to be persistent. But before you record, you need actors. Find some people who will be willing to act for your film. Shut up! Find some people who will be willing to act for your film. If they won't cooperate with your services, take them on a field trip. Trust me, they will enjoy it. Cameras are expensive, so if you don't have the money to own a camera, you can rent or borrow one. For our sequel, we are using the cameras in the media room. Make sure your camera has full battery, a decent amount of storage, and a tripod because the cameraman may be a little bit tied up with all the things he has to do. Once you've done all that, you should be ready to move on to shooting the film. Now for recording the film. Quality does not matter. Just as long as you have an hour film, it should be good. Remember to frequently look at the source film so you can be as far from it as possible. Special effects can be expensive. Actors are disposable. It's a budget thing. No one will know. Editing is what puts a film together. In the editing process, you never know how long it will take. Editing is a very time-consuming process. Because of the time and effort it takes to structure and produce your film, to edit, you will need to get on your computer, move the recorded files from your camera to your PC, and then put them into your editing software of choice. Then you can start editing. You can learn to edit by taking Mr. Gailey's media class in GHS. In case your work is graded, don't worry. If you use this tutorial in class and get a bad grade, give the teacher a bad grade. In this tutorial, we've gone through step by step on how to make a sequel, part 2. Let's review these 5 simple steps. First, you need to find the film and make a script. Then summon your actors. Then get a camera, record, then edit your film. Once you've done all 5 steps, you will have successfully created a horrible sequel. Congratulations.
Rejoice.